Alright guys, well welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to be putting this rabbit cage starter kit together. I got this at Tractor Supply. It's 24 by 24. We currently have a rabbit that's outside now, but we're going to bring inside, put in the girls' room. Kind of give them something to, lay with and stuff. So should be pretty cool. Yeah, I'm going to pull this out of the box and get it put together. Alright, so here's what it looks like. The Dumor small animal rabbit cage starter kit. Like I said, I got this at Tractor Supply. Looks pretty nice, so we're gonna find out. We got a small box here. It's the feeder. Water. Cage. And here's the pan. And that's it. That's all that's in the box. So we got everything out of the box. Comes with a feeder, pretty nice. Water. Hey guys, so earlier in the video, when I opened the box and pulled everything out and everything, there was no hardware in there. They didn't give me any bolts or anything. So I went to Tractor Supply. Instead of taking the whole thing back, I just went to Tractor Supply and got a 1/4 inch by 1 inch hex bolts. And we're gonna try those out. Hopefully those will work. They should be fine. So, are you girls ready to build this rabbit cage? Are you ready to build this rabbit cage? Yeah! All right, come on. All right, hop down. Let's do it. We want to help. You want to help. All right, so here it is. We got the cage, and then we got these brackets over here. All right, let's see. Okay, all right. Looks pretty easy to do. Nice. Okay, well, that was pretty guys. So to put these walls together, at the bottom here, you got a hook facing into the cage, and at the middle here, you got a hook facing out, and then back at the top, you have a hook facing in. So you just pretty much interlock these at the bottom, and then in your middle one, you pull your wall out. And then back at the top, you just put it in like that. So, that's what you want. Okay, so I got my bolts now. And you just take these legs here, these bars, and these go on the outside of the cage. And they got little brackets here. And these bolts are plenty big enough. You probably could have even did a 3/4 long one. Might have even have been better. So. Okay, so that's what you're going for. all the way around. So I'm gonna do the rest of these and then we'll be right back. All right guys, so this is what you should look like. And then they got these little, this is where your pan sits on here. And they just got holes right here. So put them on. All right guys, well there it is, the Dumor 24 by 24 rabbit cage or small animal cage. After I put my railings on here where the tray goes, I went ahead and put my roof on. It just interlocks along the top like the sides did. It's pretty much the same as the sides. So that's it, other than put my tray in. And there it is. And it also did come with these things. It's for if you want to stack multiple cages on top, you can put them in there, 2 over there as well, and then you can actually attach another one of these cages on top of this. So these are actually pretty nice. I'm gonna get the water hung in here and the feeder hung in here, and then we'll get the rabbit in here. All right, guys, well, here it is. The rabbit cage set up. We got him a little hay holder here. Hi there, little bunny. We got his food over here, his water. Yeah, he's a boy. The only thing I didn't like was the water that it came with, but we had other waters, so we swapped it out. Just the way it hung on there was just kind of weird. But this is it, guys, and I hope you guys liked watching this. I think the girls are going to get them out and play with them now.
Excited?
Oh yeah, I almost forgot. If you guys aren't subscribed, go ahead and hit the subscribe button and hit the bell so you can follow along with us on our journey. And don't forget to smash the like button either. So I'll see you guys on the next one. What are you doing? You're supposed to go play with them girls over there.